What's good, YouTube? It's your boy E Profit. Welcome to my channel. So, my channel is called The Process. So, if you love to see cars get hooked up, if you ever had a car and you done put rims on your shit, got your shit painted, put sounds in it, whatever you did, it was a process you had to go through. So, on my channel, you're gonna see me fix a car up. You're gonna see the whole process from the ground up, from me breaking the car down. I'm painting the car myself. I'm putting rims on it. I'm gonna get sounds on it. The whole nine is gonna be a process to see this car get hooked up from nothing to something, from shit to sugar. You feel me? So watch my channel, watch this build, check me out. eProfit Detroit _the_ process on Instagram. Follow me. All right, let's see the car. Y'all ready? Come on. '92 Chevy Camaro, 25th anniversary edition. I see this boy pretty much clean. Ain't no dents, no dings, no rust for real. One little rust spot by this left wheel well, but nothing major. The clear coat was just fell off. I hate this emerald green. So I thought about going back original color with this car, but I can't do it. I gotta change this. Inside clean as hell. Dashboard in good shape, no cracks. 95,000 original miles on this car. This boy clean. Lights work, every switch work, windows work. This boy clean. Just the front bumper was starting to peel. That was it. Ugly ass rally stripes. I got to take that off. It's really solid though. It's clean. It's ready. Yeah, boy, it's this motor. Like I said, this car is all original. 5.0. So y'all seen how clean that engine was. That's the important part. Let me crank it up for y'all so y'all can hear how good it sounds. Dashboard. I ain't still got this part yet. What that say? 96,000 miles. Start right up. See that? See that? Ain't got no shake to it. You can barely hear it running. This boy run good. Oh, I forgot. Gotta go with a new exhaust system on here. It don't sound bad, but it don't sound good either. I'm thinking maybe like a Magna Flow. So this is the process, man. Follow me. Watch this car get built up from the ground. Yeah, see that boy was clean, wasn't it? So now y'all feel me. I just wish that boy had T-tops. That's the only thing I miss that it ain't got on that car. I mean, I wanted a convertible to be honest with you, but I mean, I got a good deal on this car. I couldn't pass it up, so fuck it, that boy clean. And it's an anniversary. It's a 25th anniversary edition, so that's the value even higher on that shit. So, and that boy's already clean, so I ain't already do much to it, but do what I want to do to it. It run good as hell. I think it's like 92,000 miles, original 1,000 miles on that boy, so it's gonna be a good build. Follow my channel, watch this process. Watch how I get this car straight from the ground up off my own hard work and my blood, sweat, and tears. So Check it out, man. Follow my page, follow my channel, Instagram, eProfitDetroit_the_process.